how to enable developer options on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable developer options on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the settings, then you simply have to tap on About Phone option. And now here, once you're inside it, just scroll down and simply locate the build number, and here once you have found that, what you have to do is simply tap on it 7 times. And now here, once you tap on it 7 times, then you have to enter your pin pattern or password if asked, and once you are done with it, you'll see the message that says you are now a developer. And here, once you have opened or enabled the developer option, then you can simply go back to the main settings page, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on additional settings. And now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on developer options. Now here it's useful for USB debugging, animation scale, show touches, background process limit, which can be helpful for customizing your experience on the Android. And that's it. That's how you can enable developer option on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.